Hey, so I thought I'd just share another simple use case for how I'm using AI in my design workflow. So today I'm actually working on our dashboard and specifically trying to design out an empty state for when we don't have any data to display in certain sections of the dashboard. And right now I've just got this simple message here, but I think what I'd like to do is at least have an icon above that message, just so it visually looks a little nicer and communicates a little more clear. So the problem is we use the Tabler icon set, and it's great, has a ton of icons, but let's see if I scroll down here. Yeah, it's like 4,860, and I don't want to scroll through all of those. Certainly, I'm not exactly sure what the right search term is to even search for an icon. And so this is where I find AI to be pretty helpful. So what I'm going to do is I'm just actually going to screenshot this little section here. So Shift Control Command 4 on the Mac lets me draw a screenshot, and then it just copies it to my clipboard. And then I'm just going to pop over here to Claude. I'm working inside of a project in Claude, so it already has the context of our software, our company. So I don't have to feed it all that context every time. And I'm just going to say I'm working on designing an empty state for the dashboard, and I need an icon to go above the message. What does the message say? Sometimes I just like to be specific so it knows what I'm talking about. There are no shifts today on your schedules. To go above message. I'm going to say above the text. There are no shifts today on your schedules. I'm just going to say, give me ideas from the Tabler icon set. And let's see what it gives me. Great. So now it's listing out, you can see specific icons I could use and what they might communicate, which is super helpful, saves me a ton of time from manually searching. So calendar off, shows calendar with a slash through it. Oh, that could work. Clock off, no time commitments. Yeah, calendar X, hourglass, calendar time, clipboard check, calendar stats, calendar pause. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna try this first one here. Calendar off. So let's just go back to the Tabler. So Tabler also has a Figma plugin, which is great. So now I just come back and search for that. Excellent. I'll drop this in. All right. Always does some funny things with the frames here. Something like that. So actually, gotta get this working right with the auto layouts. Put that in here. Yeah, auto layout's going the wrong way. Fix that real quick. There we go. Yeah, it's not obviously not the right size. Adjust the coloring, all that stuff. But yeah, that could work. I don't know. I'm not totally sure about it, but like I said, I've got a few other options to try here. If none of them are working, then of course, I might do some follow-up prompts and say it's not really working for these reasons. And then it'll kick back another list of 5 or 10 that I could try. But again, it's just a much more focused way to look for an icon for these kinds of things than just manually browsing through a list of almost 5,000 icons. So yeah, give it a try. Let me know how it goes for you.